Hey, you ready? Hey, grab that right there. Are you ready? Oh. Is you ready? Ready. You say you ready. Oh. Whole squad ready. Ready. Is you ready? Huh? Are you ready? Ready. Is you ready? Whole squad ready. We came here to see Jet. What you got? No, no, no. Not on my watch. No way. Bring what you got. I'm going to the top. Hey. You can bring what you got. I'm going to the top. Bring what you got. Bring what you got. I'm going to the top. I'm going to the top.
Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or better known as ADHD, is a mental disorder that affects an individual's ability to focus, causing them to move around more frequently. They may also have trouble controlling their impulsive behaviors.
One time for them praying on my yeah. 2 times for the child hall. 3 times for the kids like me who got ADHD. Kidnapping. Whoa, turn the whole world to a crisis. Whoa, walk around the city with an ice pick. I've been paranoid, usually I ain't like this.
Ain't no telling how crazy I might get. See the police with a nice stick.
What? In my whole life, I've been lifeless. Now I'm so fly, I'm flight risk.
I gave her that over what? Break it down. Came through up and up, came through a drippin' and a drippin' and a came through a cup and a came through I came in a cup and a I'm a C-U-N-T cunty, why? C-U-N-T cunty, why? C-U-N-T cunty, why? I came in and I'm giving it.
Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
I wear that. What? Happy girl. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. I the current boy, alongside Larry T, Germany. I need dance floor, them I head up. It full of guap, 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 guap. Female body inspector, big girl take it off, 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 off. Guap, give me money, no be trap. The pocket full of guap, 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 guap. Female body inspector, big girl take it off, 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 off. Take it off, take it.
Party rock!
All these niggas JT. Hellcat, this a SRT. Pull up G-Wax 6'3", make a 55 day T. He want a menage with a new body. Man, you cause I came from the bottom, from the fence to the chopper, broke ain't saying a thing, period.
What?
God.